So hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add Hebrew calendar to your iPhone. So let's get started. So for that you need to go to your settings. So after going to your settings you need to scroll down and find calendars. As you can see, after going to your calendars section you need to click the alternate calendars. And from here you need to choose Hebrew calendar. And after that, when you open your calendar, as you can see, your Hebrew calendar is activated. And as you can see, the date along with the month is showing. So yeah, that's how you do it. Hope this video is helpful. If it is helpful, then please click the like button. Thank you.